Alright, just out here on the bay again. I just got myself a new rod, the old Zodiac Snap. If you watched the last video, I replaced it with a Shimano Anarchy. You're gonna see how that goes. Looks like a nice rod. We're just gonna fish over these flats here. There's a few little bait showers, a few little bust ups. We'll see what comes of it. And I'll get into it. Well, that's a bite. Oh, that was a good one. So yeah, that's a bit disappointing there, but that's just part of the game when you're running with white leaders. And the thing is, I'm running 8 pound now, which is pretty much my go-to. I've tried 12, 14, 16 pound leaders, which are more than sufficient. But the problem with that is when we got this real clear water and you know all the factors that are at play. Surprisingly enough, you just don't get bites. Like the highest you can go is like 10 pound, I think, before like you really start to feel the effect on your bites. It's something that I never really thought was true, but it really is. The lighter you line, the more bites you get, and sometimes you just got to play the game and lose a couple fish to get more bites and get more fish. So it is what it is. There we go. Not big. Might be a bream. It's not shaking like a Sweetlip. Yep. Nice little bream. Nice fish. See you later. Bite. I'm gonna say Sweetlip. No, just a big bream. Oh geez, he's pretty big, eh? Oh. There's our Brimbo there. Gave off a pretty lame fight, but he's good size, probably in that 32, 33 centimetre range, I'd say. Well conditioned again, full belly. I'm chucking back. Weird. Might have a flatty on here. It's weird that I got so many little pecks before I actually took it, but if it is a flatty, which I'm gonna guess it is. Oh, jeez. There's my leader. What do we got? Oh, I was bloody wondering when one of these were gonna show up. The bloody ground that we're fishing is so bloody rocky and, so many little ledges and caves and shit. I was wondering when we were going to run into one of these, and it's finally happened. Not really a super common catch. Give me 2 seconds and I'll show you. There she is. About time. I've been fishing this spot a little bit lately, and there we go, finally got a cod. Have to reel him in again. Bugger, he got off. Anyway, it's alright. He was probably undersized anyway. At least you gotta have a quick look at him. I think the GoPro is gonna die, but it's just messing around with it. I picked the rod tip up and I'm on. What do we got? Oh, that's a nice grassy. Oh. That's a decent one. Oh, what a fat fish. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Alright. That's a good one, man. Nice grassy. Beautiful colours. Good little fight. I think the GoPro missed half of it, but there you go. She's a nice fish, hey? Real nice. What the hell's this? Hit me on the drop. Little flatty. Fish? Oh. Bloody Moses perch. There's a bite. Got him. What do we got? Alright, another bream. There we go. Little brimbo on that Z-Man badge shad there. Just trying to imitate all the hardy heads that are around. Looking to convert a snapper, but that's just not happening today. So I'm going to give this spot a little miss until the current gets pumping a bit. And I'm going to head over to another spot that's a bit deeper that fishes well on a slack tide. Alright. What do we got? Nice little snapper. Okay, get off the pedal. Might have a tailor on here. Probably a snapper, but so shaky. What is that? You got a trevally on. Is that a big queenfish? Is that a queenfish? Callie! Bloody Callie stepping on my motor. I can't tell what this is just yet. Oh, oh wow. Big old dart. There we go. That is probably the biggest dart I've ever caught. Gave me a good fight, eh? See why people rate them as like a light game sports fish. It'd be super fun to come out here and catch one on fly or something like that. But there you go. He's got to be a good 45, probably 40, 45 centimetre fish. Beautiful. Awesome. What have we got here? Big old flatty. Big flatty. Come on, baby. He swallowed it. I don't know, 50-50 if I land this, and he's around his gill rake too, so. Come on. arms, man. This thing's giving me a workout. Come on. Get in there. Come on. Woo! Big old flatty. Alright, check this bloody thing out. Not a super long fish, but she's fat. I just put her on the mat. It was 62 or 63, I think. Took a photo of it on the mat anyway. But how's that? How's the condition on that fish? She is just broad from her head to shoulders. Look at that. On that little little Z-Man bat. Oh geez, I only had it loose there. Bad shad. It got wrapped around his gill there, and it was a bit of a close call, but there you go. What a stonking flathead. Beautiful. Come on, bud. Home's down there. There we go. Beautiful. That's a hit. Flick me bail over, drop me line down there. Drop it right back down to him and hook up. Oh, bloody hell. How's this? Spot's loaded with flatties. Easy net job, easier than a little one, a big one. I was going to show you that flatty, but I just dropped him overboard. But he went 48 centimetre. He had some beautiful sandy colours on him. It was a really nice fish, and he snapped my plastic off too in the boat, so I have to retie. Anyway, another nice fish. Oh, good fish. Come on, buddy, come up and you get sharked. Another nice flatty, man. Oh, no. Hey, look out. Oh. Fuck. He's gonna get sharked. He's gonna get sharked. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come back up, come back up, come back up. Quick, quick, quick. Just go in the net. There we go. Oh. Oh. Another one. Another big flatty. Another nice big flatty. How's that? Probably another. I'm not going to bother measuring him because the last one was bigger, but he's probably 55 to 60 centimetre. And the amount of sharks here right now, I've taken photos on my phone. I might chuck them in the video. But I was so scared he's going to get sharked. They're just coming through on the side scan now. There's 3 or 4 of them, and they're big bullies. So I'll do my best to revive this one and get him swimming down hard so he doesn't get eaten by a shark. What do we got? Nice little snapper. Oh, fucking shark. Fuck. Get back, get back. Oh. You were very close to getting eaten, mate. Holy fuck. Wait, Kelly, get in. Come here. And I'll probably just lob him out the back to get him away from the sharks. Hopefully he gets away. Little fella. I'm gonna end it with this one. It's getting bloody hot. Me and Carly are both overheating a bit. The The fishing's died off heaps, and there's just sharks sitting under the boat. It's just, I could go somewhere else, but I don't know, it's a bit busy. It's a bit busy, and I don't really want to be waiting an hour and a half at the boat ramp again like I did yesterday, so I'm going to call it while I'm ahead. Bloody good session, a few good flatties, nice sweet lip, not bad. Anyway, I'm going to pack it up and I'll see you in the next one.